Hello, my students. How are you? Here to do a solve from Moasser book. This is number 4. Review on Unit 1 and Unit 2. Okay. First question. Look at here with me. The middle proportional. The middle proportion between 2 and 8 equal. We can raise the middle proportion by write positive or negative square root of first and third. Positive or negative 2 times 8 16 and square root of 16 equal 4. Then the answer will be positive or negative 4. Choose letter B. Next question. Okay, my student, the answer here will be positive or negative 4. We can find the middle rational, positive or negative, square root 2 by 8. 2 times 16, square root of 16 equal 4. Then the answer will be positive or negative 4. Next question. If number of Cartesian product between x and y equal 12, a number Cartesian product x by itself, it will be 9. The number of element of x is 9. Square root of 9 is 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. Then 3 product by 4 equal 12. Number of element of y2. Y has 4 elements. 4 power 2 will be 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Choose letter D. Number 1. Question number 2 here. Second. If A, B, C, D are in proportion, we want to prove that left hand side equal right hand side. Okay. We have the ratio between A and B and C and D. A over B equals C over D. They are proportion. Look at with me here. We can find the ratio A over B will be equal C over D with the constant K. And K constant not equal 0. Then the value of K will be equal, or you can find value of A, B times K. And the value of C equal D times K. Okay, we have A and C constant. Start from left hand side here. Left hand side equal A over B subtract by A. The value of A was BK, right? BK over B subtract by A. A was BK equal, right? BK over, right? B had common factor, B divided by B1, BK divided by B equal K. You can symbolize B divided by B equal 1. And the answer will be K over 1 minus K. This is relation number 1. Next relation, right hand side. We have C over D minus C. The value of C was dk over D subtract by C. C was dk. Right here, dk over, right, D had common factor, D divided by D1, dk divided by D equal K. Cancel. Then the answer will be K over 1 minus K. This is relation number 2. From relation number 1 and 2, then left hand side equal right hand side. Okay. Next question. Number 2. We have x equal set of 0, 1, 3, and y equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. F is a function where f of x such that f of x equal 5 minus x. You won't find the range. First step, we can find f of 0 first in this function. F of 0 equal, right, 5 minus 0 is 5. And then f of 1, right, 5 minus 1 equal 4. And f of 3, 5 minus 3 equal 2. Then the range, you won't find the range. A second projection here, 5, 4, 2. Okay, this is the range of the function. And he wants to find now the drawing graphically represent graphically function. We can draw x-axis and y-axis perpendicular at the original point O. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The image 0 is 5. Start from 0 going up to 5. And 1 with 4. And start from 3 going to 3 going to here. Then we have straight line passing through 3 points here. Next question number 3. Find solution set of inequality here. First step, we can cancel negative 2 by 8, positive 2 to 3 parts. Right here, negative 8 plus 2 less than 3x minus 2 plus 2 less than or equal to 7 plus 2. Then we must add positive 2 first. Then negative 8 plus 2, it will be negative 6 less than 3x less than or equal to 9. Next step, we can divide it by coefficient of x here 3. So simplest divided by 3. Okay. Negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. 3x divided by 3 equal x. 9 divided by 3 is 9. Then we can draw number line starting from negative 2 to 3. Negative 2 opened and 3 closed because we closed here. Then solution set will be negative 2 opened to 3 closed. Okay, this is solution about inequality. Next question. We have triangle ABCD. He wants to prove that measure of angle is then this angle. And he gives me this angle ADB greater than. Okay, my students. First step, we can work in the first triangle up, such that in triangle ADB, we have AD was equal AB. Then measure of angle ABD will be equal measure of angle ADB. This is relation number 1. We can prove from this relation the measure of two angles in the basis are equivalent. This is relation number 1. Okay, my students, this angle equals this angle is the measure. And he gives me ADB again. We have isosceles triangle. Okay, in this triangle we have isosceles AD equals in the base are equivalent. This angle equals this angle. And what about the relation here? He give me a DBC, this angle, DBC, DBC, this angle here, less than this angle ACDB. Okay, my students, again, in this triangle, we have two triangles. The first triangle here, ADB, we have AB equal, AD is the measure of angle, ABD equal measure of angle ADB. Okay, we have isosceles triangles, the measure of angles in two bases are equivalent. Now he gives me this relation, the measure of angle CBD less than measure of angle CDB. Then we can collect together. Understood? Right here, such that measure of angle DBC less than measure of angle CDB. Understood? This angle less than this angle. This is relation number 2. We can add 1 and 2, relation number 1 and relation 2 add together, left hand side by left hand side, the measure of angle DBC, this angle DBC, add to this angle up, measure of angle ABD, it will be less than measure of angle ADB. Okay, ADB here plus CDB. ADB plus CDB plus measure of angle CDB. Okay, CDB. Okay, then if we collect together, we can find the measure of angle ABC less than. Okay, the measure of angle ABC is less than measure of angle ADC. Understood? Solution about last question.